Hello everybody, welcome back to the Temple FX YouTube channel, and today's video is a bit of an impulse video, to be honest. I started another FTMO trial today. It's a £20,000 trial. Got 2 weeks to pass it, and I got a really good trade today, and I just want to take you through what happened. So let's go straight into the charts. So now you can see that I am on Euro USD, and this is the area of my trade. So as you can see, here's the risk to reward tool. So this was a trade entered at the very start of the week. As you can see, there's a trend line along here. You can take it all the way up to here if you want. Yeah, so trend line along here. You've got the daily EMA as well as the previous highs of the structure, which are marked out with that box there. And then I also did the ascending trend line, or counter trend line, and I just marked out this little zone here of consolidation. I noticed that it was squeezing up. So obviously when price squeezes, you're looking for a breakout, right? So market opened, drop it down to the 1 hour. So as you can see, market opened right here. So basically I got in straight away because I saw it was at these highs, all these highs along here, as well as the trend line and the daily EMA. So I had enough confidences to take this trade for myself. But yeah, I went 1% with a 30 pip stop. The stop loss was just above the previous high here, and I mean, looking at that now, I could have literally put the stop loss there, 12 pips, and would have made much more profit. But from my last week, I've got a little sheet where I write down what I can improve on for my FTMO. So I've got this week's improvements: use bigger stop losses, 15 pips plus only. That's why there was a 30 pip stop, because last week I didn't record any of the FTMO, but I did a couple like 10 pip stops because that's all they needed, but a big wick took them out and then they continued down to target. So this is what I'm using for, and then I've also got hold TPs for longer. Now my original take profit for this one was at these lows here for 80 pips, but at the time I saw this big impulsive candle here, and I was looking and I was like, right, so I was about here, so I was about 65 pips up at the time, and I was looking across and I was looking at these lows and I was like, right, this is a clear reversal point around this area. So obviously you've got structure here as well. I was like, do I hold and let it push down to the target, or am I happy with my profit now and I just take what I've got? So I chose take what I've got now, because I couldn't, I was in the car, so I couldn't look at the charts the whole time to see what price was doing. So I took my profit. I think it was, well, I'll show you in a second how much I made. But yeah, but obviously now looking at that, I'm happy that I took my profit, and there could be like this. You could count this as a retracement, and then it could sell back down to target. Yes, however, if it does start doing that, then I might even get in on it. But for today, I'm happy with my profit, and I'm not going to rush this. So I'm just going to take you over to my FTMO account to show you. So here we are on the FTMO account. As you can see, balance started on 0 and is now £300 up from the one trade in one day, right? So if we go down here, so obviously minimum trading days I'm not passing because it's literally only been a day, a couple hours, if that. Max daily loss is £1,000 because I'm doing a 20,000, so that's 5%. But But yeah, I mean, drawdown of £22.48. £22 drawdown. I was well happy when I saw that. When I saw the £22 drawdown, I was like, yes, I'm happy about that. But as you can see, the profit target is £1,000. So I've got another 7% to get, basically. Well, not 7%. I've got 30% of the target, but only 1.5% account-wise, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I mean, 100% win rate, as you can see, because I've taken one trade, closed, yeah. So I use 0.65 lots. So I don't actually have Stinu, the app right now, which you can use to work out your lots, but I just use a simple calculation, which is stop loss divided by 1% of the account size equals your lots, basically. So I did 30 pips divided by £200 equals 0.66, but I went for 0.65 because it was just a nicer number. But yeah, so I took a profit of £300 and 33p. And yeah, £1.44 commission, that's why it's a little bit less. But overall, it's a great start to the FTMO, and I am hopefully going to pass this one, and then the next one I do is going to be a real account. But I just want to give you a couple of tips for FTMO actually that I've learned, because I've done, you can actually see how many I've done. Show all, look. So I've done 4, and this is my 4th. These first two I didn't really take seriously, as you can see. I've done a 10,000, then a 35,000. But these last two I've done fairly seriously. So yeah, let's just forget about these two. But this is the last one that I did. And the only reason why I actually opened this account was because I just wanted to link my MetaTrader up on my computer. So, but then I was just like, I was bored, so I was like, alright, I'll just try to do it. So as you can see, I got to $422, and the target was only 500. And then I entered a couple silly trades, so I went down minus 128. So and it was the last day of the challenge as well, and I was like, I'll just buy gold, full lot, so just buy gold, see what happens. And yeah, I lost basically 1,000. So I'm not too bothered about that because I wasn't really taking it seriously. But this one that I'm doing now, that I'm 300 up on, is, yeah, it's my serious account. So I might turn this into a little series until I pass it, and then see if I pass the real one or not. This trade was actually sent to my Telegram group as well. This is the trade here, Euro USD sell, 30 pips profit at 11 minutes past 11. Yeah, so look, signal was sent at 5 to 11. Running profit at 11:11, and then yeah, closed now 17 pips at about 3. So look, I've closed now, take profit about 2 o'clock, close now 3 o'clock, yeah, and there's a screenshot of it. Perfect exit. So yeah, for the members, there was a great profit for this morning, but as you can see, I got out perfectly. I put in the group chat, get out now if you're happy with profit, because I'm getting out with 1.5% profit. So obviously you can see if anybody held, it has reversed up. But then I did say around here, price is reversing, get out now. So hopefully everybody did. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment. All the links for everything is in the description, my Instagram, everything like that. If you want to see any videos, if you want to make this a series, then just comment, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.